Integrating Microsoft Teams Planner with your Outlook calendar allows you to easily view your tasks and deadlines from Planner within your calendar. Here's how you can do it. Open Microsoft Planner. First, open Microsoft Planner either via the Planner app or through Microsoft Teams. Add a Planner tab in Teams. If using Teams, go to the relevant channel and click on the plus sign at the top to add a new tab. Select Planner and add the plan you want to integrate with your calendar. Use Outlook Calendar integration. Planner's tasks in Teams can show up in the Outlook calendar, but there isn't a direct one-click sync option. Instead, you need to link Planner tasks with your calendar through Microsoft Power Automate. With Power Automate, you can create a custom flow to add tasks from Planner to your Outlook calendar automatically. Go to Power Automate, create a new flow, select Planner as the trigger, and set the action to add the task as an event in Outlook calendar. Use Microsoft To Do. You can also sync Planner tasks to Microsoft To Do. Tasks in Planner will appear in To Do, and from there you can view them in your Outlook calendar.